Chapter 30. Betrayal. Toravan. I am a shattered shard of glass. I am brittle. I could crack and break further with any solid wind. No matter that I just pulled apart the vortex of a storm. That storm's now raging within me. And surely everyone can see that? Surely everyone will know the depth of my devastation, even with my illusion wrapped tightly around me, even now changed into dry clothes, my hair combed again, though the only hair that shows is Caleb's, not mine. It's evening. It was announced that, because of the upset of the day, the king has invited all of the court to join him in the great hall for dinner. It's an invitation, not an order, and I'm tempted to curl under my covers, to draw them over my head, and sleep the rest of the evening and night away. Maybe never come out again, but I sigh, because that, above all else, would give me far, far too much time to think. And I need to be near the king in the moments he lets me. I need to watch. I need to keep him safe. It is my sole task and reason anymore for staying in this court. Or so I tell myself. I don't even have the option anymore of just remaining Caleb and being near him that way. And would that have been so bad? Truly? I've been settling into my life here as Caleb, and it's a good life. Better, at least, than the life I left at my mother's court. I'm valued as Caleb, but it's still not a whole life, not at least wholly mine. And he knows now that I'm not Caleb beneath the illusion, and that settles hard in my core in a way I can't define. I'd wanted maybe just one more time to kiss him as Caleb, to tangle my hands in his hair again, and he in mine, to press against him, to feel every angle and peak and valley of him, to have him press against me, to know, more than that, it's a few long moments before the heat rising in me cools again, and that only through concentrated effort and willpower. A lot of willpower. I check myself in the small mirror over my chest of drawers, tuck back a stray strand of hair. I linger a moment, trying to reconcile what I see in the mirror, the young mage candidate, with the woman the king would have seen me to be. I bite my lip, look away, straighten my worn but still passable coat, and I have one less of those left now, and slip out into the corridors. I tell myself the king doesn't want to see me, so it will be okay. It will be. I pass another mage candidate in the corridor, and he gives me an odd look. I haven't made friends with the other candidates, not more than polite exchanges of words when we're all together. How I started my stay here at the palace, saving Nikolai, and everyone else, has already set me apart. And I don't want to get too close either, because I don't want anyone to look too closely in return. I'm sure by now that people know I stayed behind to unravel the storm, and I tried to thwart Nikolai's botched weaving even, or that I tried to work with Nikolai, and in the end he ran, though I'm sure he won't tell it.